Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. I'm doing a quick video. Got this dryer in on trade and I'm doing a quick clean out of it and thought of a quick video for those of you that want to clean your dryer out but don't have the ability to completely take it apart. This just requires a Phillips head screwdriver and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is the, where's where your lint filter goes. So this, this goes in here, it's in the front. So this is the case for most front load dryers. And take this off, right? So you want to take this off. You don't want to put a brush in there, right? So let me show you why. So if you have one of these brushes, this is a big no-no, because when you push this down in here and you think you're cleaning it, right? What you're doing is, I've had a video on this too, but on the other side of this is the blower wheel with it that blows out the air, and you're just, and it's a little circle down in there, right? It's out the way, and so there's a little circle down there, and in that circle, it's gonna lower like right down in there, and in that circle, if you push all your lint and stuff in there, it's just gonna clog it up, and it can even mess up your fan. So you want to suck it out, not push it down, right? So if you got one of these brushes, throw it away, because you don't want to use those. And so the reason why we want to take that grate off is, so this is my shop vac, but even your home vacuum cleaner with the hose attachment should be able to fit right down in here, right? You can go down there, you suck it all out, you vacuum it, and even this grate, it vacuums out. Now, how do you take the grate off, right? So I took the liberty of already doing this, and so you're gonna have to do it blindly, right? Because you got to reach in the dryer, and you got these holes here. This hole, and this one still has a screw in there, and that hole is your Phillips head screw. And so you just go in there and screw it here and here. And this is the case for most front load dryers. And this is an LG, and this has two, so this has one in the middle too. So I recommend taking the sides off first. And if it doesn't come off, don't force it. Look for other screws. And a lot of times it might be covered up with lint and dirt and you can't see them. So just kind of give it a little tug and see where you're getting resistance from, and that'll tell you where your screw is. And so take it right off. All this comes apart. Vacuum it, clean it. Vacuum this, clean it. Clean this with a very soft brush. You don't want to ruin it. And then take your shop vac or your home vacuum cleaner and get down in there, your crevice tool, and get in there and suck it all out, because again, you want to suck it and not push it. All right. But the best thing to do is actually take it apart. But if you don't have the ability to take your dryer apart, this is the second best way of doing it. All right. And another tip too is, if you decide to go detail this thing and clean it with soap and water and scrub it, be sure to allow it to dry, or run your dryer with no load in there to get all the components to dry, because if this stuff is soaking wet, your lint will stick to it and you have the problem all over again. All right, any questions, feel free to message me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to show your support. And this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance with another tech tip. See ya.